Yes!
It was at this moment.
Oh! Oh my god. Yum yum yum. Pretty.
It was at the.
And she's like, whoa. Gepäck aus.
Sweetie cutie.
Point. And I'm like, cheese. Okay guys, I'm right here at Los Angeles Airport to the departure gate. Oh! I'm very sorry guys, I forgot my neon headband at the security check because they just wouldn't let me through with my neon headband. It's too bright, it might irritate other passengers. Just kidding. But I forgot it. I forgot it anyway, so this is my... Okay, so this right here is my temporary headband. But, you know, I got 10 more in my suitcase. I'm on the way to Germany. Port. We have 3 hours left until we depart, so let's explore LAX International Airport. Oh my god. Duty free, okay? Everything right here is duty free. Let's go in the Gucci store. Okay guys, Gucci store was kind of boring, so let's go to Burberry store, okay? Hi. Okay, Burberry store was boring as well, so let's go somewhere else. Okay, let's go. Let's eat something and then let's go upstairs. Okay, so there are a million restaurants, but I can't find a place to eat, so the more restaurants, the harder the choice. Nous avons les Français?
Yeah.
Français? Oui, yeah.
Okay.
French people in the game? Okay, let's go for the herb roasted organic chicken, please.
Alright, you want the breast and wing?
Yeah, herb roasted organic chicken breast, please. One side. Here.
You're welcome. What's your name?
Claudius.
Okay.
Yep. Okay, everybody. Take about many minutes until it's ready, okay? Many minutes, okay?
It was at this moment that he knew.
Many minutes. Hi. What's up? Okay, guys, so I recently met Jordan at the airport.
Greetings, world.
Greetings, I think so. Where do you go to?
Thailand.
Thailand, I think so, okay. Thailand for holiday.
Thailand for holiday.
Sup, G?
Full moon parties.
Party hard?
Yes, party hard. It's the
Party
only way.
Okay.
Signing off.
Signing off. I went to a second restaurant because one meal is not enough. It's not enough. It's not enough. Not enough. It's not enough. Okay guys, I'm really excited because I got a fortune cookie, okay? We got a fortune cookie, okay? Let's open, okay? You will make a change for the better. That's on point? That's on point? Like, on point? That's exactly what I'm gonna do now. Okay guys, we don't have much time left. Okay. Okay guys, I finally found my perfect shop, okay? Hey, how are you doing? Bows. Do you headbands here? Headbands? Like a bows. Like a bows. Like a bows. We got some serious socks here, okay? Explain. Best socks here. They got a perfume, okay? Bows perfume, okay? Let's try it, okay? Let's try it. A new one, okay? Okay. Okay. Okay, let's give it a try. Oh. What is the most intense one? Most intense? Let's try another one.
Another one.
Oh, okay. Like this is... Oh, I like this one. I like this one, yeah. Like this one? Okay. Okay. Awesome. Thank you very much, Peter. Thank you very much. Bye. Right here in the game, okay? In the game. Slowly but gradually, we will go to the departure gate now, okay? Our flight will be soon, okay? Amazing, okay? Like, always stay hydrated, okay? Toilet! Ha! Okay, guys. We were gonna fly. Oh my god. Psh. Okay, guys. We were gonna fly with Air New Zealand. Psh. Oh my god. Psh. Air New Zealand. Oh my god. Okay, sorry guys. The announcement interrupted my video, okay? Basically, I remember the last time. Oh my god, are you serious? Shh. The flight attendants, they got me like, bruh? I like, she? Yo. And I think so, okay? And like, are you serious? And I'm like, yeah. And she's like, whoa. And I'm like, chee, yachty. Like, they are the real stuff. They are the real stuff, okay? The real stuff. 157, okay? 157. Oh my god. Hi. Like, there's a spar at the airport. That's the real stuff. That's how you want to keep it. Massage, okay? Claudius. Okay, guys, I spontaneously decided to get a back and neck massage at the airport spa. Real stuff. I'm so excited. Okay, guys, so the neck and back massage was really intense. Like, okay, guys, we got almost boarding time.
Thank you.
Before we enter the airplane, we have to do some exercise. Excited. Ah. Hi. Hello.
How are you?
How are you?
First right.
First right. Hey.
Jacket behind.
And preparation for departure. Please
It was at this moment that he knew.
We reached parking position. Okay, guys, out of the airplane, out of the building. Yo. Bye. Bye. Thank you. Business class. Bye. See you. See you. Bye. Bye. See you. Out of the building. Okay, guys, we finally arrived in Germany. Huh? No? No? Oh, we arrived in London, okay? In the UK, we were gonna get the connection flight to Germany now. Connection flight, okay? Connection flight. Oh my god, it's just British. It's just British. Back in the UK. Ha! The Queen's Terminal, okay? What's up, Chief? Okay, this right here is London Heathrow Airport. Oh yeah. Okay guys, before we take the connection flight to Germany, okay, we were gonna take a huge British calorie meal, okay? A huge meal, like a huge dinner, breakfast, lunch, you know, whatever, just whatever. You know, food is food, no matter if it's breakfast, lunch, dinner, supper, snack, you know. You gotta hack it, you gotta hack it. In the bathroom now, okay, in the bathroom, slice room, okay. Step 1 is bathroom, and step 2 is food, okay? Food, okay? Stay hydrated. Okay guys, people ask me all the time, Claudius, what do you do during your flight? First of all, stay hydrated. Second thing is, eat hard, okay? You gotta eat every 2 hours, okay? Every 2 hours, you have to eat every 2 hours, okay? You just gotta put the calories in your pocket, okay? Third thing, watching movies. Sleeping, okay? Sleeping, and also exercise. Usually what I do, exercise is key. Exercise is really key. Let's say I always run around in the airplane as much as possible, and also push-ups. I know, but you just gotta hack it, okay? You just gotta hack it. Key, okay? Key. The guy that sat next to me in the airplane, and he spilled his orange juice on my pants. Not once, no, not once, twice. One is not enough. Twice. One is not enough. Twice, and I'm like, I think so. And I'm like, I think so. And he's like, sorry. And I'm like, okay, bruh. And like, he's like, British. And I'm like, yo. And like, she. Let's eat something. Okay guys, the sushi was pretty intense. Yum yum yum. Yum yum yum. Like yum yum yum, okay? So let's go to boarding time. Boarding time. It's just British. It's just British. British, okay? Oh my god guys, it's boarding time. Ach, Deutschland. Deutschland. Auf Wiedersehen. Tschüss. Ciao. Wir sind in Deutschland. We arrived in Germany. Okay, meine lieben Freunde, wir sind jetzt in Deutschland, würde ich sagen, okay? We arrived in Germany. Germany. Deutschland. In Deutschland. Germany. I haven't been sleeping for like over 2 years. For over 2 days. Deutschland. Germany. Okay guys, the only thing I have to figure out now is where I can get my luggage. Gepäckausgabe. Luggage claim. Gepäckausgabe. Luggage claim. Gepäckausgabe. Luggage claim. Scooter in the game. Entschuldigen Sie, können Sie mir bitte sagen, wo die Gepäckausgabe ist? Gepäckausgabe die Richtung? Danke. Okay guys, totally wrong direction. I have to go all the way back. Ich kann die Gepäckausgabe einfach nicht finden, okay? I can't find the luggage claim. I can't find it. I got my luggage. guys, I finally arrived with my mom and Underl, okay? With my mom in the building, and she brought me
My
this
sweetie cutie.
sweetie cutie with this balloon, okay?
In the game.
In the game, okay?
In the building.
In the building. Okay, guys, we're right here in the big booty car with Underl in the game, right? Gabi.
Hi, in the game ever.
Oh my god, this dog is huge. This is my dog. Hi, hi, hi. My dog, hi, 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 hi. Okay guys, we arrived in Germany safely now. Eat hard, shower hard, and sleep hard. Stay tuned for Thursday because we were gonna have so many surprises. You're gonna haki, yassi, ha, ching, yassi, ha, ching. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Make sure to hit the subscribe button really hard and also check out my recent videos, okay? Keep on the left.